We are watching TV. TV.
You might have seen that.
He isn't. He hasn't. I'm gonna kill him. What are you doing?
I'm washing shoes. Like different clothes.
Oh yeah, because they're upside down. You can't see that on here.
That hurts. No. What? So that was fucking.
She said it didn't hurt, you stupid.
This is so fucking potato.
Would you stop, cousin?
Did you say that you should throw a potato at me?
Yeah, 'cause she has some right there.
Because it has nothing to see there. Where? Wait a minute.
Oh, look at that booty.
Do me a favor.
What?
Would you be quiet for one thing? Go watch this in my room so I can watch Big Brother in here because I can't get an internet connection.
No, because we're going to sleep, Mama.
We'll go to sleep in my bed then.
I'm going to sleep right now.
Yeah, we
Got
are.
me hyped up.
Oh, we'll take videos in there.
I got it off camera. We should take pictures. I'm going to show you those bitches on my face tonight.
Look at the booty.
Why don't her
Look at the hoe.
Why don't her eyes jiggle and mine does?